Hi guys, so let's set up a camping cook station with this Mountain Hiker portable cook station. So ito po siya. This one is the bag and easy retract na rin, as you can see. There you go. And yung legs po niya is adjustable. Bali, automatic locking na rin po. And next, we pull out the folding platforms. Typical po to sa mga camping gears. So dalawa po 'yan sa bottom and the top one. Easy to install lang po to kasi may clips naman eh. Nakaklip na siya sa bracket. Then we have the storage bag niya. Bali carabiner hooks lang po siya. At may nakaabang rin na rings doon siya, doon sa baba ng platform doon. Ito po yung mga carabiner hooks. And then around the bag, marami pong mga straps to attach sa gilid ng mga legs ng parang table na yan. I wouldn't say it's top quality na heavy duty, pero I can see reasonable na din po for the price. Then we have the wind guard. Ito po yung pag naluluto ka sa campsite, madalas po mahangin. So ito po yung shield natin sa malakas na hangin para hindi mapatay yung apoy natin. And then yung po dalawang 2 cardboards, mga shelf po yan. There, two layers po kasi itong storage bag. So we can put our supplies there para sa cooking. And then this one is a Solein Sakto, I think. And then I chose this Tough Mama 23-inch wide because ito lang po yung makakasya dito sa wind guard. Kasi if longer than 23 inches, hindi na po mailagay yung wind guard. So as you can see here, there, saktong-sakto po to. I don't know, maybe makakita din kayo ng mas maliit, pero hindi pwede po na mas mahaba. So inabit ko na po yung Solein snap-on regulator po yun. And then there, see? There you go. That's it po. Sakto-sakto po yung Tough Mama na to. I will include the descriptions down below for Lazada links. There it is. May zippers. You can put all your cooking stuff here. Then safe naman po kasi meron din pong pockets sa side. Again, I would say it's top quality na durable po na like heavy duty. No, this is aluminum, but I think this is a reasonable enough quality for the price. So there you go. So you can see there's the hose and then there's the regulator. I went for this setup po para hindi na ako magdala ng maraming butane bottles because before I used to use butane bottles and then butane burners. But I guess this one, I would try this one, this setup. It's kasi para hindi na mag-refill ng butane bottles, hindi ka na magpalit-palit. Ito isahan na lang. Please comment below guys if you what to think of this setup. Kung tingin nyo maganda ba ito. I will try this out. Thank you.